Once there was a young boy named Sam. Sam lived in a small village. He loved running. Every day, he ran in the fields near his house. His dream was to win a big race in the city, but there was one problem: Sam was not fast. Other boys ran faster than him. They always laughed at him. One day, Sam joined a small race in his village. He ran as fast as he could, but he came last. People said, "Sam, running is not for you. You should stop." Sam felt sad. He thought, maybe they are right. Maybe I should stop. But that night, his grandfather came to him. He said, "Sam, do you know the story of the little bird?" Sam asked, "What story?" His grandfather smiled and said, "When a little bird learns to fly, it falls many times. But it never stops trying. One day, it flies high in the sky." Sam listened carefully. His grandfather held his hand and said, "You are like that little bird. Don't stop trying." Sam decided to try again. Every morning, he woke up early and ran. He ran when it was hot. He ran when it was cold. His legs hurt, but he did not stop. After some months, there was another race in the village. Sam joined again. This time, he did not come last. He was faster than before. People were surprised. A coach from the city saw Sam running. He said, "Sam, you have strong legs. But you need training. Come to the city, and I will train you." Sam was very happy. In the city, Sam trained hard. He ran for hours. He ate healthy food. He slept early. Day by day, he became stronger and faster. After 1 year, there was a big race in the city. Many runners came. Sam was nervous, but he remembered his grandfather's words. The little bird never stops trying. The race started. Sam ran with all his strength. He did not look back. He did not stop. And then, he won. People clapped. They shouted his name. Sam could not believe it. Tears came to his eyes. That day, Sam learned an important lesson. Never give up. If you try again and again, you will win one day. This story teaches us that hard work and patience can make dreams come true. Even if you fail today, don't stop. Try again. One day, success will come to you. If you liked Sam's story and learned something valuable today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Keep believing in yourself, keep working hard, and remember, never give up. See you in the next video.